Good morning. I have one of the goats in the stanchion, and we are going to do a health check for my mama's today and do some foot cleaning. So she's eating some grain. I gave her some grain, and we're just gonna do a nice health check this morning. She's having babies. Her udders. She's getting a bag. Oh, here's her udders. She's getting a little bag underneath. She hasn't been pregnant in a year, so I wanted to make sure I did a nice health check for her. She's looking nice and healthy. Gonna do a nail clip. See if she'll let me. I just take the nails and I get all the yucky stuff out of the nails and look at her nails inside. So I'll show you that here. Let's see if I can show it to you. So see her nails. We like this. Looks real good. But see the inside of her nails? See how they get all yucky and stuff. That's what we're cleaning out. We're gonna clean that part out and then take this part off. That's what I'm doing right here. It's taking these edges off so she can walk better. And then just cleaning them right out so that she doesn't have any rot or anything in her hooves. And I do this every, probably about once a month. Just a wellness check and everything like that, okay? So I'll show you. Sometimes I have to get right up on the stanchion to do this. My boy, obviously his horns don't fit in the stanchion, so I have to have my husband come out and help me with that. And get them all cleaned out, all nice and neat. All right. Give me the fuss. Yeah, I know. Our nails are like clipping our nails. They're hard. And you gotta clip them right down so that they have a nice something to walk on. With the edges. Easy, girl. Usually, a lot of times if they give me a hard time, I get right up here like a horse and get their nails. And I'll show you that here. Get right up here, come like this, get them like this, hold them so they can't move. And clip their nails. Just like this. And that's how I do a lot of them. Is I get right up here. Makes it a little bit easier, faster, more convenient for me because then she's not fighting me so much, you know. And I have a little bit more control over. But a lot of times, I'll just work at it on the ground. They're not going to be perfect, their nails. It's just to get it down to where they're looking good. You see that white stuff and the inside of their nails. Make it a lot easier for them to walk on their nails. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'll show you. That one's needs a little bit more, but this one's pretty good. Just see how you see the white inside of their nails, and it looks a lot better. Their nails are a little bit clipped a little bit better so they can walk. All right, girl. So, and then I check the babies. See, I cut myself already with the clippers. Yeah, she's definitely, I have their due date set at February, but I'm thinking that they may go in January, end of January. So I think I was maybe a month off. But yeah, this is Snowflake, and I'm gonna clip the rest of her nails. And now that I showed you a little bit about it, that's what I wanted to show you. A little bit of goat maintenance today. I get them right up on this stanchion. My husband built me this stanchion. It's off the ground, and then so they have to jump onto it. So the babies, the mamas, are not going to be able to jump on here much longer. So I need to get them vaccinated and get their CDT shot done for the baby's sake, and then make sure that they're all set. We're gonna put them in this stall here, and with the stanchion in here and hay bales, and I'll show you all that when we get our set up for the babies coming. What's gonna happen is I might move this out, this whole thing out. I might move this out, but everything else will clean this up and make it look all new for the babies to come. But because the mamas are getting bigger, I noticed, I wanted to get them up on the stanchion, check them, because they're not going to be able to get up on this stanchion unless I sometimes build a little walkway for them to get up there. But this is so much easier than doing it that way. So now I know they're healthy. They don't need they'll need their CDT shots, but as far as goat maintenance, I'll give them a little bit of some worming medicine, pellets, basically, and then we'll go from there and see if they need anything else. But for the most part, that's it. That's how I do my goats. I have 4 or 5 of them to do today, so I'm gonna see how it goes with the babies. So I might have to put you back on and show you how rough it is with the babies. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm just getting involved in this, so if you hear that's me for at least today and several more videos. So hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'm not sure. I may do another video with one of the babies to see how they do up in the stanchion. They haven't been up in the stanchions at all. So see, she's getting restless. She is done with her grain, her feed, and she's getting restless. She wants to go back in the stall with the other goats. All right, bye.